Welcome to this channel again. If you are new here, this is Josephine. I'm going to show you how to make a simple face toner that is pH balanced and doesn't need a lot of ingredients. We're going to be making use of about 6 ingredients to make this face toner, and anybody can use it. It is hydrating. Okay, so this is a toner you can use after cleansing your skin. Okay, so follow along as I formulate these nice soothing products. If you are new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. The first ingredient you're seeing me measure is deionized water. You are not allowed to use tap water at all. Either go for deionized water or distilled water. And that is a solvent that will carry the majority of the percentage or the gram of these products. And then I added calendula hydrosol. This particular one, you can substitute it. And if you cannot afford to buy calendula hydrosol or you don't have available, then you can still use your deionized water for this particular one. So why I use the calendula hydrosol is because I want a soothing effect. I want the fragrance, because we are not going to be including fragrance because it's a face product. At least I don't add fragrance to my face products. No. So if I want something for scent, then I go for hydrosol, although it's more expensive compared to when you are using ordinary water. And then I added aloe vera juice. This particular one also can be removed or it can be reduced, anyone you want, depends on your pocket. And then we have sodium phytate. Sodium phytate is a chelating ingredient. You can also, if you don't have it available, you can also leave it out. Okay, so what you can use to substitute this particular one is disodium EDTA, sodium gluconate and co. So you can use that as the chelator in this ingredient, but I would advise you include it. Because I'm going to be using PE9010, that's why I'm adding polysorbate 20, because it's a solubilizer. Truly, you can still add this usu to this toner without it separating, but sometimes I just like to do this, so I mix both of them together. When you're solubilizing oil into your water, make sure you mix the oil with the solubilizer very well before you include it into your water phase, because if you don't do this, even if you have the right amount of or the right ratio of solubilizer to oil, which is a fragrance or essential oil, then there might still be a little separation. So it's important. And you can also still add essential oil to your own if you wish, but we are keeping it minimal and we're keeping it so that everyone can use it no matter the kind of skin type you have. Now, this polysorbate 20 can also be substituted for either polysugar moss D9 or for polysorbate 80, for PEG 40. So you don't have to stick with one ingredient. If you are making it natural, then you cannot use polysorbate 20. You have to use like polysugar moss D9. Now we have to, as I told you, pH is important because it's a face toner that you are using after cleansing your skin. So it is important to check the pH of your products. Even if it's DIY, you still need to check the pH to make sure it's balanced. And your pH should be within 4.5 to 5.0 or 5.5, depending on the other kind of ingredients you have in your formulation. Alright, hope you have been able to learn today. Enjoy.